Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Air, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top right side where we have our toggles for control center, and we will by default need to add the screen recording toggle. So just hold your finger or your pen somewhere in this area right here, and then select add a control and find the screen recording one, which for me is right over here. Once you add it, I'm just going to click somewhere on the screen. There we go. And you can see it's now added. So we're just going to click on it. This begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. Once you're done, you can just swipe down right here again, click on the icon, and this will automatically save the screen recording. To our photos. So I'm gonna open that up again. I love how I can't resize this with the pen. It seems like such a stupid oversight. Only Apple. Anyway, and here we're gonna be looking for our screen recording, so probably quickest way would be to click right here, start from today. Nope, at least I don't think so. Yeah, definitely not. That's the different wallpaper. Okay, so I think it's going to be this one. So yeah, there we go, there's our screen recording. So you can see it is relocated under, well, saved today. And if you're trying to obviously locate it in your photos, I believe it should be, there we go. So this is the same thing. So it is visible right here in your library as well. And there is a chance that you might be able to find it in some kind of like albums, which most likely would be looking for screenshots or screen recording album, or I guess videos in this case. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.